On the home page, let's set up two text fields to read the two numbers. So in columns, first one is a text. So text is a little bit tiny. Let's give a style, text style, font size 20, and then reload. It's better. So next one is a list view object. Then children. First one is a text form field, and then we are going to give another text spelling error text form field. So we want to read the two numbers, and those one should be wrapped up by a form. So actually this should be wrapped up by a form to do the validation and save and the like. So Alt Shift F, formatting. And for the form, we need to give a key, and the key should be as a member variable so that it could be accessed from controller and the like. And then the type of the form key is, let's define variable form key. That is a global key object, and then type of a global key is a form state. So create the global key object of a form state type, and that is going to be key of a form we are going to use. So here form key is there. So we need to assign a form key so that through the key we can validate the forms and the like. So let's work on first the text form field. First decoration and input decoration object. Then hint text is enter a number. And then keyboard type, text input type, number. And then validator, controller should do that, and validate num1. And then finally on saved controller save num1, like that. So let's go to the controller, string validate num1, whatever type is pasta. And then if this is a valid, return null, otherwise return a string with some messages. That is a validator function. So we just let's try to parse the string if it is a number or not. So first, if value is null or value is empty, then return enter a valid number. Then let's try to parse and double parse value if everything worked fine, then return null. Here is error, so return enter a valid number. We could give the same message like that. Then all done, return null. So that passes the information. And save num1, void save num1 string value. Then we need to save the value where we want to save. That should be defined in a model part. So let's do that later. And then let's copy this one and then paste, delete the one, and then here we read another number. And the validation part, we could those two are actually the same thing. So let's have a common validator function, but saving should be different. So go back to the controller. Validated num is a common thing, but saving is different. So let's have save num2 here. So let's display on the screen. Error occurred. So let's go up and find the first error message. The error message is the following assertion was thrown, so perform resize the vertical viewport. So vertical size is not computed by the renderer. So here, as we have a column, first one is text, second one is a list view. Actually, if you use a list view only, there's a rendering error. So we need to tell renderer that whatever area is available and use that one for list view. So we should wrap this list view by a expanded widget format, and then load again. Then we have those two there.